I wake up in my bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I make my breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink my morning tea. I put on my shoes. I leave my house. I make my bed. I open the window. I clean my room. I take a shower. I put on my clothes. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I check my phone. I drink some water. I feed the bird. I water the plants. I go outside. I take a morning walk. I go to work. I wait for the bus. I take the bus. I arrive at work. I start my work.